Hey guys, Joe Borio with Cooking Italian with Joe. We are here in Puglia, Italy. We're in a little village called Vito del Gargano, and I wanted to walk you up to one of my favorite grocery stores. So we're gonna put together some delicious recipes for you this week. So we're in the store. Place is rocking. Buongiorno. Give you guys a little taste of some of the foods over here. There's some cheeses. Oh. This is one thing that's great. If you like wine, there it is right there. Gallon of wine. And you know what? It tastes great. It's not like it's bad. I think we're going to get some buffalo mozzarella. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Bene? Tutto ok?
Bene, grazie. Una busta mozzarella, sì.
Basta così?
Sì, basta così. Molto grazie.
Grazie.
Okay, got our groceries. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the house and we're going to make a beautiful trip to Capri, the island of Capri. And I know you're saying, how are you going to do that? You're not near Capri right now, and that's true. But we're going to make a famous dish from Capri called the caprese salad. Talk to you guys in a few minutes. I know some of you guys are thinking, my gosh, I'm in Italy. I want to get my hair cut. I want to get it shampooed. What does that look like? How's that going to look? Let's go check it out. Ciao, ciao. Mario, beautiful. Hey, we're here at one of my favorite spots. So what's hysterical is you come in here and you can have coffee with a shot at 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't even think they close. Okay, guys, this is what we did. We went grocery shopping. I had to go visit the hair salon. I'm parched. Very, very important to have a Prosecco in the afternoon because you're coming up on the 1 o'clock time, and that's rest time before we make food. You got to be in the right mindset, you know what I mean? All right, Cindine, ciao, ciao, salute. Talk to you guys in a few minutes. I was going to shoot the making of our trip to Capri here in the kitchen, but you know what? With a view like this and the weather today, it is absolutely gorgeous. Our kitchen's going to be outside. All right, so we've got our ingredients here real quick. Let me go over them with you. Get yourself some tomatoes. These are some plum tomatoes right out of our garden. Fresh is the way to go. Vine ripe if possible. We've got some basil leaves. Oh, I'll tell you, the aromatic perfuma of basil, just gorgeous, and such a great herb to add to the salad. So we're going to only need a few leaves. I cut this fresh right out of the garden here a few minutes ago. You're going to need some buffalo mozzarella. So in this case, right here in Italy, they're going to make a buffalo mozzarella. Why do you want buffalo mozzarella or buffalo mozzarella? It's got a higher fat content than cow's milk, so it's going to make it creamier, it's going to make it richer, it's going to make it more tender. You're going to need some salt. We've got some Sicilian sea salt here. We're going to use some fresh pepper. Lastly, this is the extra virgin Italian olive oil, and this is when you're going to want to bring out your really good stuff, the real extra virgin, because you're looking for the flavor of the fruit of the olive to enhance the flavor of your caprese salad. Simple here, I'm going to take our tomato, I'm going to do some diagonal slices on it. And what I want to do here is bring it maybe a 1/4 inch or so thick. And I'm doing a diagonal slice because it's a smaller tomato, so I want a larger profile. Tomatoes are done. Look how gorgeous that is. These are right out of the garden. And I'll tell you what's great about a really fresh tomato. There's an aroma of that delicious flavor of the tomato that you can grab when you're slicing it fresh. Next here I've got our mozzarella. So I'm going to go ahead and take our mozzarella. Now again, we're looking for bite-sized pieces. So kind of the same shape here ideally that you want with your tomato, because you're going to try to get that perfect bite. So we're going to go same thing, about a 1/4 inch. You can see, look at how gorgeous that is. Creamy, delicious. You can see the buffalo milk just oozing right out of there. Isn't that gorgeous? Now guys, this gets real easy. You're going to go ahead and grab a plate. You got your basil leaves. And nothing real complicated here, guys. I just want to go 1 for 1 for 1. So I'm going to take a slice of tomato, a slice of the buffalo mozzarella, and I'm going to take a slice of basil. Boom. Just like magic. Isn't that delicious? Now you never want to add your salt, certainly, or your pepper until you're ready to serve. The salt will leach out any of the fluid of the tomato, so it'll make it soggy. So always add your seasoning right when you're ready to serve. So I'm going to go ahead and take our olive oil, fresh olive oil here. We're actually on an olive oil farm. I'm right here at my home in Italy, right at my villa here in Vito, which is right above the heel. So I'm going to go ahead and spread that olive oil. Beautiful. Really light on the salt because your mozzarella has salt in it. So just a light sprinkle of salt. I love the black pepper, but just a light sprinkle of pepper. And that's it. Is that just absolutely gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? And real simple here, guys, you're looking for the perfect bite. So you want a tomato, a piece of mozzarella, and a piece of basil. And we're going to just go ahead and make that perfect bite. I'm going to go ahead and stack it here And then I'm going to fork it and grab a little bit of that olive oil. Oh, does that look gorgeous or what? And as always, guys, our favorite time here is our taste time, where you can really get the aroma of the olive oil and the mozzarella and the tomato, the pomodoro. So delicious. The olive oil hits you first, a little bit of that salt, not even the pepper, and then as you chew, you know, the flavor, the flesh of the tomato, the pomodoro, and mixes with the creaminess of the buffalo mozzarella, and then you get that herb, that beautiful, grassy, delicious, unique flavor of the basil. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today here in Vico del Gargano, Italy, right here in Puglia. And remember, one of the reasons I always do my videos, and one of the things I want to close with is, regardless of what your heritage is, always take a little time throughout the month, sit around the table with loved ones, celebrate your heritage, and more importantly than that, you know what? You're going to set some traditions for you and your family and your loved ones. It's going to last you a lifetime. I know it did for me. Hey guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week in Puglia, Italy, mwah, buon appetito.